Hello everyone, I'm Hilt. I teach more than 250,000 students online on mobile application development and also cybersecurity. Today, along with the Codestars, we bring you Android testing course, in which you will find everything that you need in order to test Android applications. So let me start by saying that you will need at least intermediate knowledge of Kotlin or Android development in order to take this course. In this course, we will see how to do unit tests, integration tests, and also UI tests. We will see how to test room, databases, fragments, live data, ViewModels, and most importantly, we will see how to use dependency injection, for example Hilt, in order to build our applications, and also use Hilt in order to test our applications as well. By the end of this course, you will be able to test all modern applications regarding Android, and you will see your mistakes and you will see your bugs in order to fix them and be a professional Android developer. Now, if you're ready, let's get started.